Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to glue the sole back onto women's shoes. We have a pair of women's high-heeled shoes, and on one of them, the sole has come off at the most inconvenient moment. As you can see, it has almost completely detached. Now we need to glue it back on well so that it doesn't come off again in the future. To glue the sole, we will need some glue. I'm using Desmocol glue. You'll also need something to degrease the surface, sandpaper, or a small grinding tool like this one to remove any leftover old glue. In this case, you need to carefully remove the detached sole from the shoe as much as possible, making sure to get rid of any loose or hanging pieces. After that, use sandpaper or a small sanding wheel like this one to thoroughly go over and clean the entire surface where the glue was previously applied. This step is important because it ensures that the area is both clean and rough, which will help the new adhesive bond much more effectively when you reattach the sole later. After that, you need to thoroughly degrease all these surfaces using either white spirit or Kolesha gasoline, removing dust, dirt and grease so that they are clean and dry. Now, the surfaces have become highly porous, and as a result, the glue should be able to adhere very effectively and securely into all of these tiny pores, ensuring a strong and lasting bond. The glue should be applied to dry, dust-free surfaces. After that, use a brush to apply glue to both surfaces in 2 layers, with an interval of 10 to 15 minutes between layers. The first layer will serve as a primer, and the second will be the actual adhesive layer. Now 15 minutes have passed and the first layer of glue has dried. Now you can test it with your finger. Test it with the back of your finger so that you don't leave any grease from your skin on the glue. You can see that it doesn't stick. Now you need to apply a second layer of glue and also wait about 10 minutes until it becomes tacky. After the glue has dried, we need to activate it so that it bonds. To do this, I will use this heat gun. You can use a regular hairdryer. And if you don't have these tools, you can use a regular gas or electric stove. I turn on the first setting and heat the entire surface about 3 times. After that, you need to press both surfaces together firmly. Now the glue has become shiny and you need to glue both surfaces together, pressing them tightly. The strength of the bond depends on how hard you press. So try to press down very firmly and steadily, making sure to do this while the glue is still hot. Now the sole on the women's shoe is glued on. All that's left is to wait 24 hours for the glue to fully dry, and then you can wear these shoes. You have just watched the video on how to glue the sole onto women's shoes. Leave your feedback and comments, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Goodbye everyone.